Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this really easy, glowy, summer inspired makeup. This makeup I think is perfect for like a summer out, for one of those summery days where you're out and about and you just want to look really glowy and put together. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, so we're just going to get ready today. It's not going to be anything like amazing or anything, but I need something that's going to be long wearing. It's really nice. This weekend has been really nice. So I'm going to take my NARS foundation in Valencia. All my shaking and squeezing has pushed this product out. So I'm going to do a really thin layer of this because I find that with this foundation, if you go heavy-handed and if you really just like cake it on, then it's not going to wear as well. Whereas if you do a really thin layer and really blend it into the skin, you're still going to get coverage, but you're going to get really long wearing results from it because you're not piling on the layers. And honestly, with this foundation, a little bit goes a long way. This is spilling. So I'm just gonna take whatever's left over. I'm not gonna squirt anything else up. I'm just taking whatever's left over on the actual packaging and then just build it up right in my cheek area, around my mouth, because this is where I like to have a little bit more coverage. For my concealer, I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever concealer. I've been using these as foundations, but I'm taking the shade 4.3, which is a little bit darker, and I'm just going to lightly layer this under my eyes. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just lightly blend this out. Again, this is another product that you really want to use lightly. So my weekends have been pretty busy with bridal work, which I'm really excited about, and my room is a mess. I have all my kit stuff right here off on the side, and I just can't put it away because I'm having to pull it out, clean it, organize it again, and then get it ready for the next event. But I hate it being out. It's always in my closet, and it's driving me nuts just to see it because it's like a constant reminder, like it's here. So I am going to set my under eye using my Pat McGrath, the yellow powder. I've been using this a ton. I pretty much use it daily and I really like just how it looks. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty baking powder, and this is also in banana, and just use this to bake my face because again, we are going to be out. It's a little hot. Well, it's not really hot, but under the sun it's hot. And I like to be under the sun. So I'm just gonna take this and then press it into my skin. And that's a trick with this. Like some people like to bake it and remove it. I like to press it into the skin and let it just bake. So I don't remove it unless obviously I do like a really obvious bake. But when I want it just to sit on my skin, then I just take the product and I press it. And I feel like that really helps lock everything in place. I'm gonna take the Patrick Ta sculpting set. I'm taking She's Chiseled, which is the darkest shade. I think I told you guys that I bought it because I wanted to see if the medium or the dark shade would work best, and I'm torn. I've been using this since I've gotten it because I'm not really sure what I'm preferring, but let me know what you guys think. I'm just taking the cream and I'm blending it up. I feel like it looks a little gray today. I'm now going to take the powder. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Looking at it in person, I'm like, oh, okay, it looks kind of grayish. Looking at it on the viewfinder, I'm like, oh, it looks good. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I think that this one might not be the shade for me, and the medium is my go-to. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my bronzer, my Dior bronzer in 6, and I'm going to use that in my crease, and then I'll show you guys why. I've really been enjoying these bronzers. I don't think I've used them on camera yet, but I will today. Not just on my eyes. So I'm going to use the same bronzer with this Smith 154 brush. I'm loving this brush too. And this is going to tie my look together. So I'm going to take this Dior Backstage Glow Face palette in Copper Gold. This is what it looks like. And I am going to take this copper shade and then use that on my lids. And this is dry. I'm actually gonna use it wet, just to get like a full bronzy shade out of it. There we go. I'm also going to take that same shade and just pop it into the inner corner. It's going to be the highlight. I'm going to do a little bit of a liner. This is my Benefit roller brush, or roller liner. So this is what the eye look is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then we'll come back to finish the look. Alright guys, so for my blush, I'm going to be using Tower 28 Happy Hour. I use this quite a bit. So I'm just going to dip into it with my Fenty brush and apply it to both cheeks. This is probably one of my favorite brushes. I don't know why I took my bangs down. For cream product. I'm going to take my foundation brush and just blend this really bright pink shade out so it looks a little softer. Layering is key, guys. Alright guys, for my lips, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty Bombshell Lip Pencil and Fenty's Cupcakin'. My lips are really dry. And now to set everything, I'm going to use my Milk Hydro setting spray. I've been using this a ton lately.
Hi guys, my mommy and Moritz. They're because she's so crazy and wild.
I'm crazy and wild?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so here's the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell and like this video. I don't know what he's doing behind me, but he's wild and crazy.
I'm not.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.